giving us drive, you keep giving us passion, all of these things because of you, because of you. And the Backstreet Boys nor the New Kids on the Block would be here today if it weren't for beautiful people like you. So are you ready to go home yet? Is it okay if we bring those guys back out? Come on! New Kid, where you at? That's it. Just for you. Just for you. Five. New Jersey! Where's John? Jonathan. John! Night front and center. Where are you, man?
We did, New Jersey, we did something special last night in Boston.